Alright guys, so we are here at the shop. We're going to wash the car while it's still in the trailer. It's a little bit easier for me to hit everything underneath. As you can see, we have everything off the car that we need to. We ended up running Cherokee 2 nights ago, and we actually had a little bit of a boo-boo, which I'll show you that here in a little bit, but the car still ran great. So we're just going to get cleaned up. We're going to do a bolt check on it. We're going to set it back up, make a couple of changes, and then we'll be ready for this Friday at Carolina. It's in 2 pieces to help fix this, trying to get it back to a somewhat decent shape.
Okay, so we washed the car and then unloaded it from the trailer and rolled it into the shop. We had some work to do to fix the nose where Andrew got into somebody on Saturday, and so we basically heated up the plastic nose after he took the sheet metal off and bended it back to its original form and pop riveted it back, and then we put the sheet metal back on by pop riveting it back where it belongs. Andrew's actually not wearing shoes because he was wearing water shoes earlier and they are starting to rub on his feet wrong. So I
have fat feet. Leave me alone.
So basically we just finished fixing the nose. So now all that's left is to do a bolt check and rivet the body panels back onto the frame. So yeah.
Day 2 pressure washing. We're going to do trailer now because it's pretty filthy from yesterday, and we're going to clean tires today because we didn't get to that yesterday because we didn't want to spend all day down here yesterday. So that's kind of the game plan for today. Alright, so I'm back in my house. We got all the tires finished up. They're all cleaned, washed, ready to go for this Friday. The trailer's nice and clean now. There was a bunch of mud still caked on it from us working on, the trailer, or cleaning the car on the trailer, I should say. Anywho, so we may have a problem with our car, and that problem is we had a low oil pressure light come on at Cherokee Saturday night. Now, I never lost oil pressure, just keep that in mind. I never dropped it to 0. It hovered around, and when the light did come on, it was around 20-ish to 30-ish, but that was only when I was out of the throttle. As soon as I got back into the throttle, oil pressure went back up, and it was only when I was coming in the corners and like setting the car and letting off throttle, then it would drop. So we're not super worried about it because we never zeroed it out, and when we got back on the throttle, it raised the oil pressure back up. So, and idling around in the pits and just sitting there idling, it never loses oil pressure, not even the light. So we're going to test it Friday, and if we still have a low oil pressure light come on, we may do some research and ask around and see what we need to do. If we need to pull the motor and pull it apart and look at it, which is a possibility that may happen, or it could be the motor's about to blow up. You never know. I've already had one blow up on me, so anywho, that's going to do it for this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We also worked on our 100 subscriber special today as well. We got some more interviews done, so I'm going to go work on that very shortly. and it's stacking up to be a pretty good set of videos, so I'm pretty happy with it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully we will see you at Carolina Speedway on Friday. Come up and talk to us. Be sure to say, hey, we love meeting you guys. That's always a bunch of fun. So yeah, anywho, again, I'm going to end the video here after I've said it 4 or 5 times now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.